Nagtipunan Quirino Motocross Racetrack, February 15th to 16th.
Qualities that I've been searching for. On paper you're the perfect one, I can't ignore your kind. You're smart, you're funny, it's true, but my heart ain't feeling what my mind wants it to do. In my mind you are the one, but my heart is being dumb. I really want to love you, but I'm numb, numb, numb. Everything you thought I wanted is clear to see, but deep inside there's something missing for you and me. We laugh and we talk, we have a good time, but when it comes to love, it's just not the right ride. In my mind you are the one, but my heart is being dumb. I really want to love you, but I'm numb, numb, numb. I won't lie, I'm kinda done. Being picky is no fun. Would it be so bad to love you instead of loving none, 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 none?